guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you a super cute style where I am going to flat twist and then add some perm rods, so keep watching. So for this video, I'm going to be using one styler and my perm rods. So the first thing, obviously, to show you the styler. So I'm using Jane Carter's Curls to Go Curl Cocktail. And then as far as the perm rods, I'll be using my blue perm rods. So they have a smaller barrel. I kind of like how tight the curls are when using this barrel. Some people like to use a bigger one so the curl is a bit bigger, but these are pretty much my fave. So I'm using this. The first step of what you want to do is, oh, and I actually forgot, I'll be using these small scrunchies. So I'll be using that small scrunchie in the front because I'm going to part and kind of do something going towards the back before I actually start my flat twist. Okay, so now I have my scrunchie. First thing I'm going to do is put it on the first one and I'm going to have it going in the direction towards the back. To part my hair into two sections. So I'm gonna do 5 and 5 on each side. So we'll start with the first one. Take some of my styler and add it to the part that's sectioned out. Okay, so I let my hair air dry a bit, so now I'm gonna be bad because I didn't sit under a dryer to let it dry. My hair does feel like it's dry, so I'm gonna take a chance and just take it down because I'm not really going anywhere and I'm tired and I'm gonna take off these lashes. So we're gonna keep our fingers crossed that this comes out perfect. So what I did, because it was still a little bit wet, I decided I'm not going to separate it too much and just leave it how it is. I took my time going through each one, that way it didn't create any frizz. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I still think it's super cute. So maybe the next time I try this style and I actually leave it for a longer time to actually dry, it's gonna look even more bomb. But hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you tried this style out and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!